Imagine you wake up tomorrow morning and there is breaking news. Uber has launched into property management. But wait, there's more. Sorry, is this from the Bahamas? Sorry. Virgin have now entered the space of property management. Let's take three. Okay, the big four banks. The big four banks are now entering property management and offering property management for free. But there's more. Silence. The internet, technology has shut down. I was so excited to be invited here, part of this event today, because the future of property management and technology is something that I'm very passionate about. Yes, 30 years in property management. There's an industry running joke that I started when I was 5. I think I started that joke. But what I want to do over the next, I think I've probably got 3.5, 4 minutes, it's probably 2, I always like to talk longer. What I would like to do for the next 3 minutes is take you on a Pow Wow journey of the what if. And we're all thinking about it, we've all got the questions in the back of our head, but really what happens if you woke up in the morning and Uber or Virgin or the banks got involved in property management? And I believe I've only got a short period of time, but each different representation of the three brings something different to property management. Now, if that happened tomorrow morning, would you survive? I want you to think about, what are your risks? What are your threats? What do you do well? How are you going to retain your clients? Because I think we're entering into an era, and there's been lots and lots of talk about disruption and automation and integration and software. But from talking to thousands and thousands of principals and property management team members, we've got the group over here that have got their head buried in the sand and they're just doing the same thing. I've talked to agencies that are still taking cash. They don't have any automated payment systems. I'm talking to people that haven't embraced apps with routine inspections. The technology that is here right now is incredible. We can take a property and in less than $2, recreate that property, take out the furniture, put new furniture in, spruce it up. We've got smart houses being developed where the house will automatically send signals back that you've got to have this appliance tested or the smoke alarm. You won't need people. And what I am most concerned about in property management, it's my passion, it's my career, it's my everything, is I want each and every one of you in the room here today and listening around the nation to survive. And I think if we think about the Ubers, or we think about the Virgins or the banks or anyone coming in, everyone is chasing technology, how to be faster, how to be quicker, how to save money. But at the end of the day, we need to get back to our grass roots of people are our business. And unfortunately, property management is like 3 steps behind. I think it was mentioned in a couple of sessions ago that I'm getting really dry in my mouth at the moment because I'm so excited and so passionate. But we don't need to just compare ourselves to the real estate industry. It's globally, where are we positioned? So I think if we're going to survive, and if you don't think that a disruptor is around the corner, beware. Or be aware. Be aware, beware. Interesting, the 2 words as to how you say it. And I think the key, the takeaway for my session today is not only to be aware, but embrace the human aspect. Connect with your landlords and tenants. Yes, We are moving towards a robotic society, but right now, pick up the phone, connect, develop relationships so when the disruptors come in, you will have that relationship with your clients. Thank you.